Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change language in Shopify store. Let's get started. So if you want to change the language of your actual account, what you can do is you can click on this My Store right here, click on Manage Account, and then from in here, it will open a new tab. And when you scroll down, you should be able to see in here the preferred language. Click on this right here, and you can choose the ones that you want. Like for example, you can make this like Espanol and click on Save. And once you have saved your progress, as you can see, it will actually change your actual language. Now, let me head back to my English language because I don't really understand this as I don't speak Espanol. So as you can see, I have revert back, but if you're talking about changing the language of your actual store, you can head over to a new tab and then search in here for apps at shopify.com. And then from in here, search in here for translation or translator right here. And then it should be able to show you some search results related to this. So just choose the ones that actually really good for you. So you can choose the Shopify Translate and Adapt as well as this Transy right here. Just choose the ones that has a free plan available that will actually help you. So for example, for this, let's choose this Transy right here. They have a free plan. Click on the install option right there. And then it will open in here a new tab. And in here, just wait for this to finish loading process. It will soon ask us for access in order to install their app on our dashboard. Head over and click on the install option and just wait for this to finish loading process. So this is what it looks like. So head over and add in here some languages that you want as your actual AI translation. So for example, just choose the ones that actually resonates with you. Just choose the ones that you have right here. So as you can see, I have added in here some language. Click on this, I have done this. You can also add in here some currency based on the language as well as this one. So make sure that you've done everything right here. Make sure that you have added this HTML with currency. And once you have done that, you can actually see this setup switcher. So make this on default or push depending on what you want. Now click on this go to panel step and you should be able to see in here the preview in here. So just make sure to enable the switcher for this one. Click on this right here. And then from there, you should be able to see the Shopify editor that will load up right here. And you should be able to see also the app embeds. So let's just wait. Now in here, you can see the Transy. Make sure to click on this one and make sure to save this progress. And then as you can see right here, you should be good to go. You can actually change the language depending on what you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.